In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your printer play music at the beginning or end of your print, and we're starting right now. Hello, my name is Daniel. Welcome to the Crosslink channel. I would like to help you being more successful with 3D printing. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. So you've been asking in one of my last videos, what is the speaker on the Ender 3 actually good for, except confirming that you saved your settings? So I digged a little bit into the documentation of Marlin firmware, and I found that there is actually a command to play back sounds on the printer. And these sounds can not only be notification sounds like a one beep sound, you can really play music songs. And that can be helpful if you want to play a song at the beginning of the print to notify you that the print is starting, and also playing a song at the end of your print when you want to be notified that the print has actually finished. So this is something that we want to explore today. So let's kick it off with how to start playing music on your printer. First, let's understand what the M300 command does. The M300 G-code, according to the documentation of the Marlin firmware, is there to play a tone. It has two parameters. First is the duration of the tone, and the next one is the frequency of the tone. So this is how a single tone command is defined. Now, however, if we want to play a whole song, we need multiple of these lines for every note in the song. And what the printer doesn't support is playing multiple sounds at the same time. So you can only play one tone at a time. So you need to find a way to define a song in a way that this works. So it's not multi-channel. Obviously, it's not a multi-channel MIDI device, but it can play some simple songs. So let's head over to Printerface and play back a single note. That's how it sounds. And you can also load a whole file with G-codes to play back a song. So I have some sample G-codes file here. For example, the Mario file. You can load it into Printerface, or you can use any other slicer software that supports sending files to your printer directly. You can also copy the G-code file to the SD card and then print it from here to play back the song. But we are going to use Printerface because it makes our life much easier. And now let's play back the Mario file. So let's have a look into one of the G-code files that play back a song. You can see here that there's multiple of these M300 commands. Now, how do we make the printer play this song at the beginning of our print, for instance? So to do that, we have to go into our slicer software. In my case, it's Cura, and open up our printer configuration. And this is for the Ender 3. So I'm going to manage my printer, and then I'm going to do machine settings. Here you can see there's two sections. Basically, one is for the start of the print and one is for the end of the print. So I am putting it right in the first line and pasting it there. So it should now start the song before anything else happens. Now for the end of the print, it's similar. You want to put it at the end of everything to make sure that the whole homing process, that everything is settled, and then it's playing back that song. And now let's just quickly start a test print using a Banshee to show you that the printer is actually playing the song. When we start the print, I'm going to save the G-code file to the removable SD card. Gonna eject that card and put it into the printer, and let's see what happens if we start printing this file. So you've heard it playing back the song right after warm-up was finished, which is nice. So you really get it playing very close to the actual print start. So same applies to the end of the print. If you put something there at the end of the end G-code section, it will play back the song when it's really finished. And now we come to the question, where to actually get those songs from. So one way to do that could be to go to your favorite search engine and then put in RepRap M300 songs. That will return you a good amount of results for songs that people have actually already created. Another place where you will find songs suitable for your printer is my website, where I'm creating a little bit of a library of songs. There's not many songs there yet, but I'm collecting more and more songs that actually play back well. Not all the songs that you will find on the internet will be playing back nicely on your printer for several reasons, because not every printer is the same and not every speaker is the same. And also people have tried converting MIDI files to the RepRap format, which sometimes works, but sometimes the results are not that nice, because MIDI songs tend to have multiple channels and this is only able to play back a single channel. So you need to find MIDI songs that only have one channel, and that's quite of a challenge, I found. So I'm gonna collect songs that work. If you find any song that you like, please post it in the comment section and I'm going to put it in my song collection so everybody can have nice songs for playing them back on their printers. And now let's finally have a look how you could theoretically convert MIDI files into G-code to play them back on your printer. And the first thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to find a MIDI file. And next thing to do is to go to a website that I've linked in the description down below. This website converts MIDI files to RTTL. Now, what you need to know, RTTL is a ringtone format, and this ringtone format can then in the next step be converted to G-code. So there is no single step MIDI to G-code converter, you have to go this intermediate step at the moment. So I've selected this MIDI file from my hard disk, I'm uploading it to this converter, and then I need to copy and paste the text from this window here into the actual RTTL to G-code converter. And this will convert these RTTLs into G-codes, and then you can try to play them back on your printer. So I'm gonna keep looking, and I'm really encouraging you, if you find any nice MIDI songs that are convertible and that play back nicely on your printer, post them in the comment section down below. So I'm gonna put them in my song library on my website and also link that in the description. And yeah, have fun trying out songs for your printer. So that's it already for today. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, like, share, subscribe, all the good things. And I'm gonna see you next time on this channel. Have fun printing. Bye bye.